learn ang history when it is supposed to be learned. And then the other part is also enlightening na dili na ito mapubos ang tao because it depends on their willingness. So ang point diri karon kita as a new student and also as an educator in the context of education, siguro kita dapat ang maging first no nga dili na to neglect what is being told and what is being happened yesterday. This is the reason why we are here, man. So dapat dili ko ta kumbaga, this is a realization to us that the result of all of our research is really a sad. No? Natawag galing si Rizal is na lang katakbo atong knowledge. Kumbaga, this is a time for us and also a realization to us to awake and to stop the stigma that Rizal is only a subject. But we need to learn something to Rizal in order na ma-apply na to sa atong life. Diba?